This is a very green forest belt, and in India my house is surrounded by green forest, and it is a great forest, large forest, and so many trees are there in the forest, and some wildlife animals are also there in that. I am able to see peacocks and other sometimes snakes, peacocks, jackals, dogs. So many creatures are there in the forest, and the forest is surrounded to my entirely to my house, and my house is encircled by a green forest. The forest is so great, and it is beautiful, and it is green, and it is very much useful to the mankind, and it gives us lot of oxygen, and we can breathe freely in the crowded city. We are coming out of the city, and we can be able to breathe oxygen sufficiently in this house. So we are going to move into this house in India, and this house, I like it very much. This is so great. The area surrounding my house is so great and beautiful.